Come, wait until him reach out. Come to... Him not even come in our room yet. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
TK million 14. When I pop the balloon, it look like he made a dig. Yeah, man, come here. I don't like it.
Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Lampshade Music, you know. Lampshade make you you know.
Oh, lampshade.
Yeah.
All right. What type of work you do? What?
Like say a rubbish truck in my work, but I want him come here, suffer. Go on over here.
Put your let's slippers, dog. That you
I
gonna
want
look
that
for
in my
money.
van.
You know how much
you
me
take
shoes?
out that out of-
You know how much me shoes?
A rubbish pan, I get that out of brother.
Look why you two of them.
You know, look, go.
Put them on.
Yeah, I go stop them, huh?
Watch it.
You
Suck
go
off
suck them?
what? Them men
You go
deserve
suck
no
them, huh?
suck off. Watch it.
No, you're prime.
Yo. Calm down. What going? Yo, Demar. What this?
Kongaya. No work Kongaya.
What going? What is for?
No, where really are you?
Novo Pandora.
Yo, I the next pop the balloon and find love. Females, you ready? Yo, man, I lie, we're back in Kingston, baby, and I miss you guys. I know no vex because I'm not going to hug last week. I am so sorry. I want to deserve the hug, okay? Females, it's simple. When a male walk out and you don't like him, you pop your balloon, okay? Okay? All right. But if you like him, what do? Keep that balloon because he might be your husband, okay? St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland next week. But nah, forget. So people from Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, one weekend, connect me upon my Instagram. I say it. Big up Live Boss for the visual. You don't know, God I like all the time chips. Banana chip. Wait then. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Alright, watching the people, I really want to give you a hug. I don't know. Last time I tried hugging you, I want to turn away and I was so ashamed. Big up my big bad sponsor, Zanex, location Park Plaza, Alpha Tree, for the baddest jewelry, you see it, Ice Down, Bust Down, Average. You see me? If you don't want some jewelry, check my wrist, no man. Zanex, you see me? Park Plaza. Check him out. He have some bundle deal right now. You don't want to miss it, yeah? Females, are you ready for the first male? No, I need some energy. That's all I need, okay? Now wait until him reach out to us, okay? All right? Ready? Bring him in. Come, wait until him reach out. Come to... Him not even come in our room yet. Introduce yourself, Maji. Your name?
So I'm Kimani.
Yeah.
On Instagram 9piece.
9piece. What type of job do you do?
I'm a security guard and I sell clothes on the side.
Oh, like a real.
Yeah. Female and male clothing.
That not bad. When it comes down to a female though, what's like your type or you normally go for?
It's based on like personality. It's not just first impression or that is.
Oh, like you go for personality, not looks.
Yeah, that first.
All right. And what's a red flag for like a female? What's one a red flag for you?
She don't have any drive at all.
Determination.
Yeah, basically.
Okay. All right then. Shout out to social.
9piece on all platform. That's 9__piece on Instagram, same on TikTok, everywhere else.
All right, so we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. All right.
Yeah, cool.
All right, so I'll start with that side on. Far down, yeah?
All right.
All right, let's go. Right, as well. Your name, why you pop your balloon, and your social?
Hi, I'm Crystal. My social. Now I'm promoting my OnlyFans. It's at Femdom Chrissy. I am an OnlyFans content creator.
All right. Why you pop your balloon?
Um, because I know that I'm not really looking for a serious relationship. Yeah, I'm not really looking for a
So why are you here then?
Just to feel the
Sugar
water,
daddy,
test the
man.
waters. Maybe there's somebody that maybe like to date a OnlyFans content creator. Who knows?
Oh, like you find somebody
Yeah,
to
so
make content with.
maybe it's a possibility that they want to date someone in that field. But yeah,
Okay. And why you pop your balloon? Because you're not what?
it's just not my type so far. Yeah, yes.
Based on his appearance, though. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I will give him a 5. 5.
5 out of 10?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Why 5?
I don't like his pants, even though I know that it's a design. But from far it looks like it's dirty, even if it's just a drip. But I just don't like that design. It looks dirty from far, but when you come close, you literally see that it's the design of the pants.
Oh, so you say from afar, you say, why him wear a dirty pants?
Yeah, like when he's further away, it looks dirty, but when he come close, you literally see it's the design, and it's true. Ask any of the females. Yeah.
All right, my G, what you have to say about that? Based on what you say?
Like, for your opinion and for your still in the end of the day, everybody have what them prefer and them types. So, yeah, I'm not have a problem with that. So. Sure.
All right, then. How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Like a 6. 6 out of 10.
All right?
Ask him why 6.
Why 6?
Just look 6.
Okay. Well, you look 2 when I give you a 5. You look 2, literally. A solid 2.
2.
Yeah.
Oh, you change? No, you cannot change.
No, me just say him look 2, me already give him the 5, but him look 2 though. Yeah.
All right, then. Bless.
Up.
Come to this one, G. Your name, why you pop your balloon, and your social?
Hi, I'm Pretty Exclusive _1 on Instagram, and he's not my type.
He's not your type?
He's
Why? Why is not your type?
because I have a type, and his physical appearance doesn't match that.
Or like him physically, it not,
Appearance doesn't match my type.
you not feel it tingling.
No, I don't.
Based on him appearance, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I would give him a 6.
6 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
All right, but what can make him be a type though? Like, what kind of improvement him can make though?
You're not making any improvements. He's already born. So, I would be able to tell him to try to change for me.
No, not change, but like probably I say, you know, your type of like somebody way, you know, dress well or something like that. I don't know. I'm just asking, like, what can he improve?
Nothing. You're fine how you are. Okay, you're just not my type.
That's.
All right, based on her appearance, what you think about her?
She can get a 8.
Why 8?
Look good, man.
She look
Smash. Smash, man.
What you like about her?
Smash.
What you like about her?
Smash.
What you like about her?
That man, she put herself. You see me? Smashable.
Oh, smashable.
Mm-hmm.
All right then. Come on to this side. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
One Naya on all platform. I heart full stop Naya. So I pop my balloon because him pants have one rusty color look. Him New Balance clean and something, but his shirt not go with the pants and him a give me an old man vibe.
Old man vibe?
Yes.
We like what could I give a old man vibe?
His shirt and the rusty looking pants.
What the pants not old?
The pants, that still not say pants look rusty look my pants.
Style, man, you know?
Other style, him say other style.
At first, me I see that one the door.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
1.
1 out of 10?
Mm-hmm. I not like him pants and him shirt. Him shirt I give me a cardigan. Like when you cold in Ayarika AC. Yembo AC, call center, you just throw it on. It not ready yet.
Or like a sweater thing, like.
Yeah, cardigan, yeah. Cardigan is basically sweater. And it look feminine too, cause
Alright. Based on fair appearance, what do you think about her?
She can get a 7 out of 10.
Why? 7.
She not look bad. She alright. Put herself together good.
Alright, good.
good.
Alright. Come to this emoji. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
Okay, so Tika here, Queen Teeks _excel on all social media platform, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Okay, so yeah, just know me type none talk.
Oh, from him walk out, you don't notice that her.
People look on him, he might just know me type.
So you know look up?
Mm-mm.
Alright. Much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Would I give him 1 for his shoes? His shoes look nice.
Him shoes alone get a 1.
Yeah.
No, because you look down, that's why.
Well, not nails. I just say shoes. Big up your shoes.
What do you think about her? What she have to say?
For your opinion, say, you see, we don't have no problem. You see, everybody have them types, so
Alright. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
that's 7.
What you like about her?
Her style.
Style. Alright?
Okay.
This energy.
Nah, like from she pop, or hard pop. You see it?
From she pop.
Yeah, I could have gone a long time. Nothing like.
So she.
Yeah.
Me nah-
Trust me.
Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
So hi, I'm Nora. On TikTok and IG is Nora_Beeb_. On YouTube it's Meds Nora. The reason why I popped, not saying that nothing is wrong with your dressing, to be honest, I think you should at least put yourself together more because it's like a first date, right? So you have to like dress to impress. I don't want to be rude. I think you're ambitious, so I would give you an 8 for ambition. You're driven. You seem like a cool person. I love that. So next time you're coming, just put a little more effort in it.
Cool, will do.
No.
So yeah, so basically this just look like him never.
I already done. Me, you see you now. Job done.
But there's sometimes I not understand, that's why, you know. And then you say you give him a,
Yeah, I give him an 8. Solid 8.
and YG you say from she pop. How you
Man, I
feel?
eat that man.
Because she alone did keep her balloon?
No, she. You know what them way there?
I
From
just
come in.
she.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
100, man.
Thank you.
What you like about her though?
Everything. See the start. Nails, everything done. Ear look good. Face pretty. No, nothing else really. I'm mad.
Have to represent.
Simple.
Yeah, but you say you go off a personality, so now you
Watch her
say
style. I never said that. You see, just forget that part about first look. Yeah.
Was
And
love
from
at
here,
first sight, really?
you see me?
she say it's love at first sight.
Yeah, right. That's about she pop. You see it?
Can you say something for convince her to take back a balloon?
When I really like to do the begging still, but if you could have, you'd have good.
It'll be
Try
good.
something.
I think maybe the next time, I just want to see your improvement.
Cool.
Okay.
Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
TK 14. When I pop the balloon, it look like he made a dig a man come here. I don't like it. I don't like him dress. Him handsome and everything, you know, but me just don't like him dress.
Yam?
Yeah, he made a dig yam in a dirt. You know, see the clothes look. That's all I have to say.
No, but him style, them pants, we done this to say I want
Me
stuff.
not like it. Me not like it that me see. That's all.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I'll give him a 5. Yeah, that's it.
My G, what do you think about what she have to say?
Shame. But your opinion that is it. As I'm say everybody have them type and what them like and the style, man. You see me, the pattern.
How much should I rate her?
You can get a 6.
Alright.
Alright?
Not a problem with that.
Alright, come to this side, my G. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm Alicia Amor. My social is Alicia Amor Music on all platforms. Why I pop my balloon? Let's start with the good stuff. First of all, I love your complexion. I love a nice dark chocolate guy.
Thank
I
you very
love
much.
that. Yeah. Second of all, I don't think anything is wrong with your shirt. I don't think anything is wrong with your shoes. I just think you paired it wrong with the jeans. I think the jeans is something that you could wear more with like a graphic tee. And if you had done that, you would have been popping today. Otherwise, I don't see any problem with you. I love your assertiveness. You seem very, ambitious as well. I love that. And so for that, I'll give you an 8. But why I pop my balloon is naturally right off the bat, you would just not be my type. You're not tall enough. I like a tall guy. I'm so sorry. I know. You're just the same height as about Ruli. I love a guy that I can look up to, So
Oh,
that's it.
How am I getting this?
Because him size up himself in your role is. So I just like, yeah.
But you have on heels though. You can't like.
Yeah, but I can take the heels off. It's not about competing with his height. It's really just that I personally like a guy that is really tall. But otherwise, you're all right. I'm not going to kill you for the fit. I just think next time wear that jeans with a graphic tee, a nice like a graphic tee, and you'll be cool.
Waiting, but what you say?
But then I plan for your graphic tee, but at first date. So I'm kind of more churchy vibe. You understand? Yeah.
I like your top. I don't see nothing wrong with it.
So
I just don't think you pair everything right.
So the occasion is a first date. So this is how we would come as a first date.
I love the shirt for your first date. Just the jeans kind of throw off the whole look. But outside of that, you're good. And once again, I love the complexion.
Yeah, thanks.
Waiting, but like what you say? And based on her appearance, how much you rate her?
I think about what she say. Well, I like what she say. You see me? Obviously, I like what she say. You see me? I say, she not say nothing wrong, you see me? And everybody really knows style and them things there. So, you see me? Them would understand, say, USA, you understand? Face YJ, you see me?
USA.
And them things there. Yeah, them not really. You get me? I say, but yeah, sure. You can get a 10 out of 10 because she look good still differently.
Thank you.
You see me?
Appreciate it.
All right, my G. We have a balloon left. Jano, come out today. Hopefully forget how much, but it wasn't successful. So you know what you have to do? Walk with grace, my G. Clean Zanex Park Plaza, yo. The best jewelry in Jamaica right now, okay? Park Plaza, Alpha Tree, Caesar, come, see him there? Gee.
Yeah, man,
Yo, what you have for me? Oh gosh, Boston Average, Yo, fresh. Tell her about the deal.
Alright, so we have a deal going right now. We get 2 of them here for only 14,000. And we all have birthday specials
I'm new
going
to
on.
this lot. I'm new to this lot.
Oh, see there, lock it.
Oh, tell her, sorry.
Clean. So we have all types of items, stainless steel items as well.
Yeah.
Everything very affordable. Park Plaza, shop number 9.
Ice.
You can follow us on Instagram, ZNX876.
Yeah.
And also on the TikTok.
Check it out. Icy. Cool. Ooh, yo, freeze my hand. Yo, yes, so much time. You know, tell me for go St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. You see, if me ever waste my gas and go, you know, say I pack a Jamaica, St. Elizabeth there and Westmoreland. See, if me ever yo, me say, God, I tell you. All right, so females, are you ready for the next male? No, that one that sound like force. Are you ready for the next male? All right, let's go. All right, please. Can we wait until he's right here? Okay. Bring him in. Look forward. Please wait until him reach out to sir. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Hey everyone, Akeem here. Social media, SVG _ that random guy on TikTok and YouTube. I play professional esports for Jamaica.
Oh, you're esports?
Yeah, I'm a gamer, as
Oh,
well as a entrepreneur, and I do a few other things, but that's a later.
all right then. And what's one of your hobby like different than playing games?
Making money.
Man, what's your type though when it comes down to a female?
I don't really have a physical type,
Yeah.
but if I should choose, I'd prefer a petite
Mm-hmm.
lady. They can't be tall. I don't really care about that. Mostly intellectual.
Okay, but in a size petite.
Yeah, man. I say, mama, but she don't pop so.
Oh,
But I'm no. Here we go.
all right, my
That's how
G.
it go. That's how it go, man. No, I was merely making a comparison to
Yeah,
petite. but-
okay, yeah, facts.
Mhm.
And when it comes down to a first date though, what's the best place for bring a girl?
Well, I can't decide that. It would be based on our interaction. Nothing what she like.
Oh, depends on what she like, you know,
Not,
kind of.
not necessarily what she like, but we both have a meeting and make it.
Love that. All right, so we got some pops.
Sure.
We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon.
All right.
All right, we're gonna start with right there.
Little miss.
Yeah, look at this. All right. Who there, sir?
Sorry.
All right, your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hey guys, I'm Penny Exclusive _1 on Instagram. Please check out Chophead Life Changes on YouTube. You're just not my type.
And when you say it's not your type, like, what's your type?
We could practically be family because I know his sister, so no.
You know Pinky?
Chantel.
Oh, you know Chantel? Oh, shoots.
Your family big?
No, well, no, not really, but I mean, that not change a thing.
It does.
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way.
Oh, so basically you're saying you know him family, so it gonna feel weird?
Yes.
So that's the type thing?
Yes.
I see. Well, thank you.
And how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I would give him a 9.
9 out of 10?
Thank you.
Yes, 9 out of 10.
Solid 10.
10.
Mhm.
What you like about her?
Everything.
Like what?
Her size, her complexion, her face, and I like that she's not too outspoken
Oh, you know that.
because I noticed her body chemistry. Yeah.
Oh, so you don't know, so she's more reserved.
Yeah, man.
True?
Yes.
All right, good.
Yes, good.
All right, I go right here and good. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
So my name is Crystal. The reason why I pop his balloon, you can't see a myriad of females and just be flirtatious with one individual. You have to feel, test the waters first.
I wasn't flirtatious.
You can be specific, and if you're specific, then that means that you already, it's like you have to give yourself time to analyze the additional females that are there before you be flirtatious with one specific individual, right? Also with me, the fact that him say him like when I'm petite, yeah, I know some I'm 5'5", and I'm very outspoken. I'm an extrovert. Some know many would that never get along. So yeah.
Touche. But I wasn't flirting. I was trying to get to know the young lady. Like she
Yeah,
said
but
she know me,
you were
but-
very descriptive in regards to who you're looking for. So that's why the additional females pop. So even if you wanted to get somebody, because you were specific with who you're looking for, they analyze themselves and realize that they're not petite, so then pop it.
But I was not specific, though. I said if I was to look for something physical, that's what I would want.
But that is a specific trait.
But
That's
it
what you're
was
not getting.
But it was not geared at a specific individual.
Well, they analyze themselves and realize that they're not into that category, so they popped. Like myself, I popped.
All right, so based on his appearance, how much would you rate him?
I would definitely give him a 6 because I actually like those type of shoe, I'm like combat. And it would actually pass along, I'm like tall nigga, I'm like the look of assertiveness, 'cause I'm very, I'm a rough person, so I like man way tall and have a little alpha side, but he was too specific with who he was looking for, so the girl I would just pop.
So you say like a rough man also?
Yeah, like me, because I'm a femdom, I literally forget.
Femme what?
A femdom, female dominate. It means female dominate. So I have too much of a dominant personality, which means that I need somebody that is also aware of themselves and they're not going to feel insecure when they're around me.
All right.
Can respect that.
Yeah.
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
Well, I don't have anything. I love her color. She's in pink. I don't have any issues with her. Alright. How much is that, man?
She said she'd give her 8.
8?
6.
Oh, shoot. I'm sorry. I'll give you an 8.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
well aware of certain things, and there's nothing wrong with you.
Okay.
So have a wonderful evening, love.
Same to you,
Alright.
darling.
All right.
Yeah.
This way. Okay. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Hi, good night. So I'm Naya on all social. Hi, heart. Full stop Naya. Pop my balloon because nothing in specific. Feel like him ear too tall. Him ear taller than mine, Rolly. You know, see, I hear me for Avin, Rolly. Come on.
And then you really hear this?
No.
Oh, so you have a
I go
problem?
in a ear competition.
Never.
I go low and cut it now I'm sleep. My toxic, you know.
Oh, so you're saying like no to like compete?
No, I don't want no man compete with me. Me are the only female. Me I love after all ear. Me not like man with ear.
But it's a cultural thing, so
So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
No, no, do him. I give him one. Me I get 8, honestly. He
Thank you.
cool.
9.
9.
Of course, of
What you like
course.
about her?
Everything. She's nice.
Alright, come go up now. I'm out.
All right then.
No, well, I want you.
Your name? Your name and why you pop your balloon?
Tika, oh my God, Rolly.
What's so funny?
Tika, where are you? Tika, what you doing here?
I don't care, hide.
The man disappear. Daniel soon hear about this. And talk to the man.
Who? She have a son.
A son. She have a son. As well as other things.
Your name and why you pop your balloon?
You know, Akim.
You know
The
him?
man ask for your name and why you pop your balloon.
Tika, hide. Rolly, I'm a son, uncle.
Oh. Oh. Oh, come here and say, all right. I understand. Family thing.
Yeah.
You have a big family.
More like we know one.
Okay. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
But I give him a 6. Akim. But I think we should have rate.
I hear what, me I give her a 10. From she in my family, she have a 10. Because Daniel not pick up germs. But more know where you do ya?
So she have a son in yard? Alright. Alright, so good?
Yeah, man, definitely, man.
So you get her 10, that's
Of
it.
course, of course.
So, your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Nora, based on the comparison.
What comparison?
Petite.
Yeah. And he was being specific about her, so I'm like, okay, then.
But you qualify as petite.
I know, but you were being specific.
I used her as a comparison.
Next time I have to choose your words carefully.
Not say someone.
True.
Yeah?
Yeah. But otherwise, I think you're nice. I love your hair.
I love yours
Oh
as
my
well.
God. Thank you. Really nice. Really look good.
Thank you. Likewise, likewise.
I'll give you a solid 8.5.
I'll give you a 10.
Thank you.
Are you single?
Yes, I am.
You sure, sure, sure?
I'm on the show, right?
You sure you don't want a balloon?
No.
And what you like about her?
Everything. I like that she isn't too revealing. And I like her reserved. I like that she's reserved. And
Thank you.
she speaks her mind. I like that as well.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
TK Million. Why am I pop the balloon? Instant up just a too long attack. And I mean when a balloon you bright and out order. Bright and face.
My sincerest apologies, darling.
Me not take that.
What you mean?
I shouldn't
like,
have kept you waiting.
we just,
I'm
How
sorry.
long him talk to she and me have balloon right here, so right.
Yeah, but I did ask him question and ask her
Yeah,
question.
too long.
So me are the problem?
Him are the problem, right?
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I'm gonna give him a 10, you know. I'm liking thick body.
Like what?
Body,
my,
your
my
body, your
physique.
body, yeah.
Thank you. You know how much people are tell me, say me I get husband belly and we don't even have a wife. Where you pop?
Basically, yeah, say,
But
yep.
nah, go back to the balloon either.
That is
Too
perfect.
bright and
No,
pasty.
that is perfectly fine. And I'm sorry if I gave you the wrong impression.
All right, so based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
I give her a 7. Thank you so much.
Why 7?
Because I love the color. And she has a nice smile.
Thank you.
So is she in a red different?
No man, me like blue, me like red and blue, me like duality. So I wear black and white, as you see. So when it comes to them things, I don't really have no problem with it.
The man and the man they are so attack so long, you know, him upset my spirit.
I'm sorry, sweetie.
All right, then come to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm Alicia Amor on all platforms. Let's start with the good stuff. I like to start with the good stuff. First of all, I like your height.
Thank you.
Second of all, I like your hair.
Got it from my mom and my height from my father.
Thirdly, I love your smile. It's very infectious. Yes, all the way here, I was looking at your smile. I was like, yeah, have a nice smile. The outfit, man, I really love the shoes. It's giving work. Yeah, it's giving work.
That's because I spend a lot of my time working. As I said, my hobbies are making money. So
So you're coming from work right now?
Technically.
Technically, all right, that's if you're coming from work, that's a pass. But yeah, I was kind of turned off by the shoes. Secondly, I didn't like the fact that it seems to me like you don't really know what you want, because I feel like you were flirting with everybody coming down the line, not really acknowledging the persons that were actually holding their balloons for you, because we were here holding our balloons and you were just focused on the other persons. I like a man that, as him see me, him know me once and him care for pop everybody else can do the talking and him can't wait to get to me, because yeah, that's what I'm about. So that's really was the turn off. But outside of that, I would give you a 8.5.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Such in-depth descriptions. All right.
Yeah.
In regards to my end, you're very beautiful.
Thank
I love that you're outspoken. You speak very nicely. You have a wonderful smile.
Thank you.
The only problem I would have with you, the only problem I might have with you would be your outfit. But I understand that the dress code is a first date situation. So this would just be for my eyes if that was the case. But given
What's wrong with my outfit? I'd like to know.
I like when it's short, but for me alone, you know what I mean?
Oh, you're more of a conservative type of guy?
Yeah, man.
Well, I would like to say my style is very eclectic. I can transition here and there. I have different ways how I dress. So if you were my man and you had a problem with me going out with this dress, I'd consider changing into something that would make you feel more comfortable. But unfortunately, that's not the case here.
That is so true. And I appreciate the fact that you would actually listen to my opinion based on
the
situation.
Right.
Wow, that's good. That's good.
Man, you're really fine. Oh, that the boy there? Yeah, man.
But otherwise, they're cool.
So you're resting in your femininity?
I'm in my soft girl era right now and I know what I want. So the minute I see a red flag, it's all out the door.
I can definitely appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
All right, then, my G. All right, my G. Everybody pop them balloon. Wasn't a match today. No way for do. Oh, I could guess, my G.
All right. Ladies, take care.
Watching the people, please like the video. Yo, I feel like I reach 300,000 subscribers, you know. Why you not like the video all now? Come on, subscribe, because look how much hug me get. You want a hug for subscribe? Yo, extra here. All right, come in. Dear, I miss you, okay? All right, so females, we're gonna bring in the next male, okay? Yeah? Yeah! All right, then. Bring him to this side, over here, sir. Wait until him reach right here, sir, please. Wait until him reach right here, sir. He not even introduce himself. Introduce yourself, Maji.
So my name is Jordan. As me, I'm 22 years old.
Yeah.
And I do trading for a living and stuff. So, yeah.
All right. And when it comes on to a female, what's your type though?
Really and truly don't have a type.
Yeah.
You just have to be God fearing.
God fearing.
Yeah.
And what's one of your hobbies like?
Singing, dancing, playing game also. Oh, and I like to do acting also. Yeah.
All right. I don't know about that. And tell me an ideal first date.
Yeah. I normally go to Pegasus Hotel because they have a nice restaurant over the side.
Yeah.
Pegasus, so yeah. We don't normally go there. So.
Okay. All right then. All right. So shout out to social.
2026, no limit. Yeah.
All right. So got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. They'll start with right here. Right here.
You have to do that.
Yeah, we'll start with right here, man. Yeah. So just use the mic here.
Okay.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Alicia Amor, music on all platforms. Jesus, you're cute, you know. You're so cute. Your smile, your eyes.
Thanks.
Nah lie, your swag, you're swagging.
You're crying.
Jesus.
No, you're crying. No, you're crying.
Yo. Calm down. What going? Yo, Demar! What this?
Yo,
What?
Go on with the baby.
Yo.
I don't want the baby.
What going?
Watch out now. Easy. You don't want, yo. Are you me at time? Come here, sir. Come.
What going, my G? What going? What going?
Me look like condom to you? Stop in attacking me. Me look like condom to you? Don't fuck yourself with me. Yo.
What going? What? My G, just calm down now.
Come here.
What going? What is for?
No, where really are you?
What going? Second on, wait. Shh. What just happened a while ago? Yo, what? What go on? Lindsay, find out if she good. Please, find out if she good. Find out if she alright. What? So her baby father.
The guy tall.
Check on him for find out if she alright, bro. She should even. Bro, just check on her, bro. Please.
Just find out and go.
I'm gonna go. Wait. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Alright, sorry about that, people. Sorry. Everything alright, yeah? Ready? Good? Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
I'm not even remember.
You remember why you pop your balloon?
I gotta try remember again. Come back, babes. You're so gorgeous. And that is for a female, but you look real nice. Your features are like top tier.
Thank you.
Love your eyes, even though I'm not contacts.
Yeah.
And a contacts?
That is from my dad.
Period?
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah.
Or should I ask for your real eye?
Yeah, I already answered.
Yeah, is a real eye?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. Love it. I'm mesmerized by your eyes. Honestly,
Honestly, what?
you're just a little bit too short. And I'm not going to use the short against you because I'm this close to going back from a balloon. I think it's also your age. I need somebody a little bit more mature from me.
Maybe my body can seem immature, but my mental is actually
I can
mature.
tell that you have a good mental.
Yeah.
But I'm not for you, babe. I think that I'm further ahead with my, with where I'm at, and I wouldn't want to do that.
Understood.
I feel like you'll find somebody that's going to be suitable for you. But outside of that, you're top tier. You look good. Your eyes look good. Skin look good.
How much
teeth
did I
look
rate him
good.
from 1 to 10?
10. I give him a 10. Go through, young nigga. You're good.
Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
10. And
Ultimate.
love your voice also.
Thank you.
No problem.
Alright, come down the line. Right, you see. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
TK million 14. No, I'm just short. How old are you?
22.
You're too young.
Oh, you say
you're
it's
too
so
young.
dry. Okay.
That's it. Nothing else. Just too young.
Okay. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him 10. I had him pretty. Yeah. That's it.
Okay, alright. What do you think about her based on her appearance?
She's 10.
10?
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
Well, I don't want to be hugging myself. Still, I like when they have flesh, So,
You like when they what?
have flesh, isn't it?
Yeah.
What am I saying?
She have flesh, she have flesh.
Well, she
Me
kind of
slim,
more
slim.
body
That's
than
why.
she. You never had to.
Oh, you mean like more body, that you mean more?
Yeah.
More body matter.
So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 10.
10.
man.
10.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, come down to this side.
Hey,
Right, sir.
bro, I know why she poppers. You go, got it.
I must say, oh my God.
You never had
Alright,
to.
why your name and why you pop your balloon?
My name is Nora, and Nora_babe_ on TikTok, and on Instagram it's Nora on YouTube. You're speechless. I'm so speechless. Like, oh my God. I don't normally date short guys, but you break the scale though. I can't grade you.
Ooh, alright. What you like? What you like about him? What you like about him though?
Everything.
You never had to.
Based on how he's talk, I can know that he's young, yes, but he is intellectually intelligent.
Yes, I am.
Look at him.
Very.
Oh my God.
Yes, I am.
He's gorgeous. He's amazing. Like, keep it up.
I will. Still, you never had to.
Based on what you said.
You can always take back a balloon though. Can't beat the
Can't
inevitable.
go back on that.
Is she a type though?
Yeah, she is.
She's a type? And you rate her how much?
Trust me. Speechless also.
Thank you.
No problem.
Alright, come to this side. Right, SMG. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My name is Naya. I heart Naya on all social. However, I pop my balloon because basically him look like my kid. You understand? Him look too young. Me short, him short. He just not gonna make it.
Understood.
Yeah.
And based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
I'm gonna give him an 8. Him just too young.
Young or short, which one?
The two of them young and short. Him could have been a pick me.
Oh, him gonna be a picnic.
Me a big man, Rolly.
Oh, okay.
I'm old.
Right.
I just don't look old.
Oh,
Understood.
But age is a factor for you or height, which one?
The two of them.
She actually said that.
Alright then, Maji, what do you think about her based on her appearance?
She's cool. 10 also.
Thank you.
Yeah?
All the ladies are nice. I'm not being judgmental, so does it even make sense to ask me to rate? Because it's a 10.
Alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm pretty exclusive _1 on Instagram, guys. Please check out Chophead. Music video on YouTube produced by DJ Rumblood and Jaden. I put my balloon because of your age. Too young.
Too young, okay.
It's not the height.
I'm actually taller.
I'm the height, but it
That was no, me just want to make sure, like, because Tono, him actually taller.
Yeah,
Like.
exactly. Like, but
still the height a little bit. But apart from that, he's okay. I would give him a 10.
10.
Yes.
Imagine what you think about her based on her appearance.
I just say 10.
10.
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
Yeah, she will. But I feel like I will be able to actually manage her in certain ways.
You will?
Yeah, I can actually. Can't be the inevitable.
Okay then.
Oh, like lift her up, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Yeah?
I'm very sure.
Alright. This side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
I'm Crystal. His age, I'm older than him, and the fact that he's short as well, but he's very nice. I'm not gonna lie. He needs to go and model. Like, you need to go and model. Yes, along with trading, go and
I
model,
was
sir.
actually coming from a fashion show.
Yeah, you should. You have the eyes. You're literally walking on billions right now.
Thank you.
You're a rare gem. I love his eyes.
Thank you for that.
Cute. Remember when I'm looking post them,
Cat?
That's crazy.
But for real, he's cute. Yeah, I love his eyes.
And how much did I rate him, sir?
I would give him a 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
And if it was in the height, would it have been your type?
Definitely. Would I ask him if he want the content?
Yeah.
Or like YouTube?
YouTube, TikTok, OnlyFans, everything. I do everything, really. Remember, I'm a serial entrepreneur. I'm a rare gem. Are you not remembering? It's my third time on your show.
So why every
Have you
time
forgotten about me?
No, man, I say why every time I change occupation? Last time it was a TikTok and now YouTube.
I'm a
then
serial
now
entrepreneur. I do everything.
so you just add
I just add OnlyFans to the bucket list. But I do everything. Remember?
So you're asking if him willing to make content with you?
Maybe. I'm not sure if he wants to.
Ask him.
Do you want to make content?
Yeah.
Wow. That sounds spicy. Can I have a balloon, please? He said, okay. So I'll keep this for content creation, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right.
Not TikTok, you know.
What is she specific also? She named a number of stuffs.
Yeah, but not TikTok or
Which
YouTube.
one are you specializing?
I ask if you want to make content. It could be anything.
Exactly my point.
Yeah, but specific, which one?
No, we don't have to go into detail. We
no
can
problem,
arrange
no problem.
that off the air.
You know what's a OnlyFans?
Yeah.
Okay. Come to this side. Alright, so female without a balloon, walk with grace for me, please. Come to this side.
Oh, so like, okay.
Yeah. Alright, so you went back for a balloon. You have to tell me why.
Okay, so I asked him if he would be interested in creating content, and he said yes. So that's why I went for another balloon.
And content meaning?
YouTube content, OnlyFans content, TikTok content. It could be a myriad of things.
And what do you do on your OnlyFans, if you don't mind me asking?
I entertain the adult segment.
Oh, like once they pass 22 over.
Yeah. Once they're 18 and older, they can sign up. It's just $9.99 to subscribe right now. Go ahead and subscribe and support me there.
Okay. Yeah. Understand?
Yeah.
All right. And what's the question you get for asking a question? We're gonna see if there's a chemistry, okay? All right. Let's go.
Me first or?
You.
Okay. So basically you do all the fans, but let me ask, do you actually believe in God though?
I do. I just don't believe in Christianity because it was imposed upon us through slavery. So that is just, but I believe in God. I believe that He created this earth for us and we should just find our path. But I believe that religion is division and they literally divided us through that because you have some people that go to 7 Days Adventist, some may go to Sunday church. We don't want to talk about religion because it's a lot. But I do believe in God, but it's just that I don't believe in Christianity. That's all.
That's actually a great response. You're actually right, because once religions come in the picture, it's going to be a debate.
Yeah.
Basically. So good answer.
Yeah.
I like that answer. Great.
You can ask him a question. We're gonna see.
Yeah, and how long? Because traders normally don't have any time. Do you have time to create content? Like if I'm gonna say, hey, are you ready to create videos or whatever? Let me know what your schedule is like for that.
All right. So basically, I don't find it to say find time. there's always time in the world. It's 24 hours,
Mhm.
right? So if I choose to make time, I can. There's no excuse. I don't have an excuse for making time. So if you ask, I'm going to make the time.
Okay, no problem. Sounds good.
And you're saying you want to make sure him time flexible.
Yes.
Trust me, you're good.
Yes.
So in case you want to make a content outside or
Yeah. And he said yes, so I guess.
She's good.
any more question you want to find out, forget for Nora, because before me ask my final question.
Just a random question though. Are you the crazy type? Meaning, let me enlighten you a little more. Meaning, like if, for example, it's like how really I be right now. Like, do you have that vibe? Do you have that mentality?
Crazy.
You have to be specific what you're
Really?
asking.
All right, describe really.
All right. No, when you say crazy type, you have to be specific with what you're asking, because with content creators, serial entrepreneur, we're always doing stuff.
Okay.
Like, I believe that the world is mine and the cake is there and I'm going to take my cake, right? That is why I do everything. I don't care what nobody wants to say. I'm a serial entrepreneur. Right now, me I do Forex today. Me I do OnlyFans tomorrow. Me I do YouTube. However, I'll strategize what I'm doing and I'm going to provide a level of balance. But yeah, I would say that I'm an extrovert. You know, I'm like excitement. So anything that keeps my blood pumping, that's me.
Awesome. Amen, Pumpkin, bro.
Amen.
You're very,
Amen.
very productive. That's
Okay.
great.
All right.
That's great, man.
All right. Is there any more question you guys want to ask each other?
No, I don't have any more.
Nah.
No? All right, so I'm going to ask my final question, all right? Is it a match for you, Maji?
Yeah, bro.
It's a match for you?
Yeah, bro.
We have a match? You have a match?
Yeah, man.
All right. Is it a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
So we have a match?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. Calm down. So we have a match?
Yeah.
So we have a match?
Yeah.
So we have a match! All right. We're not even seeing a hug. All right. Okay. All right. All right, so before I continue, I must ask, you know what I'm going to ask. Basically, what I want to know, are you willing to risk it all? Are you willing to risk it all for a chance to win up to $100,000?
Come on, Rolly. I told you that he's a billionaire. Me and my man are going to walk on the catwalk. Get away with the 100K. Come on. What?
Yeah.
But telling us, say, we need more money. The 100K, son. Yeah. Come on, people. The people they there. Come on. Make us say 500K. Make them think about it, okay? Yeah. Wait then. Please like this video. Now wait. Thank you. Yo, me not lie. We just get a match. Me not know that episode I just feel hectic. Like, not stress me. Please, like, yo, me stress out. Me just, like, me there out there so, and me have to calm down some out there. Yo, please, like, females, if you don't know now have a baby father on a yard, do not come here, so, and try get a man. Okay? All right, let's go. Bring in the next meal for me now. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
So my name is Nicholas. Find me on Instagram at __.
Well, in my talk. Introduce yourself, Maji.
So my name is Nicholas. You can find me on Instagram at __. Nicholas.
All right, and what type of work do you do?
I do construction work, but I'm also going to school at the moment for electrical.
Oh, that's good. That's good. And what's your type though when it comes on to a female?
Well, you know, she have to look good, you know where she want. You see me I say? You see me I say? Yeah.
Okay.
She was such a happy and everything. Yeah.
She have to just look good and know what she want.
Yeah.
And make sure she what?
Make sure she look, make sure she happy and him.
Make sure she happy. From what in my ear, man, I said that. Make sure she happy.
But she have happy for make we happy. You know, I say, you say, I'm happy.
I respect for that. And what's like a red flag when it comes down to a female?
Well, as I say, when she don't really know what she want, you understand me? I say she can't come forward and say certain stuff like where about her. You know, I say what a woman will open up where. Cause you know, I'm free, I have options, I'm free open up some more. Can adapt in any situation like that. You know, I say cause I'm kind of adventurous like that. You understand?
Yeah. Okay. All right then. All right. So we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. Shout out to social.
Okay, so my name is __ that Nicholas.
All right. We're gonna start with right here. Come. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
TK million 14. Why I pop the balloon? Because I don't date man that smoke. Red flag that. I don't like it.
Oh, you know him smoke?
I see him a smoke. Yeah, I see him a smoke. I don't like it.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
10.
10?
Yeah. He's nice, but smoking turned me off.
Is he a type though?
No. No.
If he never smoke.
Maybe more that talk to you. Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
Huh?
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
Well, she's alright, you know. She look like she'll give her good vibes when they're on her, but that's not my type.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 5, you know.
5 out of 10?
Yeah, she's alright.
Yeah.
Your name? Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, my name is Nora. The reason why I popped is because I can see on your lips that you smoke. And I'm asthmatic, I can't do that.
Okay. Yeah, I understand. I once been with an asthmatic girl before. It was alright because I don't really smoke. I don't say I understand people, so yeah.
But I do love how you put yourself together. Honestly, I'm gonna give you an 8.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah.
So you're saying just because you have asthma?
Yeah, I don't date guys that smoke. I'm sorry.
Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Yeah, she's nice, you know. She's a baddie, you know. Yeah, she's cute, really nice. I love her glasses, shape good and everything. Yeah, I'll give her a 10.
Thank you.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Naya, I heart Naya everywhere, every social. I pop my balloon because him smoke plus him look like him beat woman and I don't want me and him have to go fight and stab him up and go prison if him beat them.
Well, I'm not like that. Though. I'm not like that. You're just judging me wrong, you know.
Based on how him look like him.
Yeah, him look like him beat woman.
No smoke.
No, I'm like the chill smoker, you know. Like I just chill, watch and him smoke, you know. Do the things that probably make my life better, you know. Just so can have a good steady meds, you know.
But why you that?
Impression.
Oh, based on him appearance.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
That give him a 2.
2 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why? Because of the smoke?
No, because I'm jacket, I give him 2 for him jacket, it look nice.
What about everything else?
I jacket must see and like can give him 1 more for Air Force 3.
Based on her appearance, Maji, what do you think about her?
Well, as I say, she's okay, you know, she's typically a 3 or 4, so I wouldn't, you know. Yeah, she's cool. Yeah, for the pavement.
What 3 or 4?
Okay, on to the next one.
That means.
Yeah, him say him rated 3 out of 3 or 4.
Oh,
She's a 3 or 4.
thank you.
Alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm Pretty Exclusive _1 on Instagram. I put my balloon because they're not my type.
That's okay.
I like your gap though, it's really nice.
Thank you very much.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I would give him an 8.
8 out of 10? Alright.
Yeah, she seems pretty respectful, you know. She seems nice, you know. She come out looking good, you know. Brown, you know. She's nice, and I get her right here too.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Yeah? Come to this side, G. Where is it? Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Alicia Amore Music on all platforms or Alicia Amore. Why I pop my balloon? Again, I'm going to start with the good stuff because I'm not here to bring down anyone. First of all, I love that you put some thought into your outfit before coming here. Your hair is well groomed. I love that. I don't have a problem with the smoking. Smoking can be vibes sometimes. Love the fact that you have a gap. We share that because I have a gap too, as you can see. I popped my balloon because honestly, I want to be real while being on the show, and I know off the bat you're not my type. Not that anything is wrong with you physically. As I say, you'll put yourself together and I appreciate that, but I just know that you are not my type, so I wouldn't want to tell myself anything different. So that's the only reason why I pop my balloon. Overall, I'll give you a 9 out of 10 just because I can see that you put thought into coming out here, put your outfit together, hair well groomed. I don't have a problem with you, just not my type.
I like that, yeah. To be honest.
Yes, man, her appearance. What do you think
She's
about her?
really nice, and for her honesty, I'll definitely give her a 10, you know? Yeah, she seemed like the person you could just be around and she just influence you to just make you do what you want. You understand me? I say?
Sure.
Yeah, she seemed nice.
Is
She's
she
a 10.
She's a 10?
Solid.
Is she a type though?
Oh, hell yeah, she's nice. I like slim girl, you know, you understand? Especially when I'm tall too, you can do a lot. You understand? I mean, a lot,
Maybe
lot,
you can do a lot.
Oh, she have on heels here.
Well, she's still tall. Though.
Really?
I'm have to tell them, you say you have to tell them, be honest. All right. All right, yeah?
I appreciate that.
All right, so my G, it wasn't that much today. No, we have to do?
Yeah,
walk with grace for me.
that is it.
Yeah. Cha-cha style. Wait. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Please, female, we can get some energy, please, because we don't know what's going on in the beginning. And we know it's a lot. Come here for this calm down, everybody. So can I get some energy? That is a Kingston. Always have some drama, you know. Yo, all right then. Bring in the next male for me now. Come, wait until him reach right here. Jesus Christ. Introduce yourself.
Good night, ladies.
Hi.
I am Gio, 31 years old. I'm an IT person. I work in tech. My socials is Giovanni on both TikTok and Insta.
All right. Gio, when it comes down to a female, what's your type though?
My type is not based solely on appearance. The appearance will grab me, but you have to have a bit of substance. That's your personality, and then you will hold me. That's just it.
Okay, appearance. So something of the behind the appearance.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's a hobby for you?
Well, I like watching movies.
Mm-hmm.
And other than that, I'm on the computer creating stuff, like graphically, stuff like those, websites, everything.
Graphic artist.
Well, I don't specialize there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And what's like an ideal first date for you?
Well, it should be something that's not too distracting with activity because I want to get to know the female. So, like maybe a simple walk on the beach, picnic, or we go to a quiet restaurant, we can sit and talk and focus on each other.
That sounds good. All right. So we got some pops. We're going to find out why them pop the balloon. Ready?
Okay, sure.
All right. Let's right here. Just come here. Your name or your pop your balloon?
Alicia Amor Music on all platforms or Alicia Amor. Gio, boy. Love your outfits.
Thank you.
I always give credit to a man that puts himself together. Love the outfit. Man, I have no problem with it. I was focused on your feet. Your foot looks small. I don't know.
Well, I guess that's your opinion. I can't bash you for that.
Why, I don't know. Something with a small foot. I like when the foot have like a size.
Why? What's about it?
I don't know, my imagination wild. Let's say that. Yeah, period. But outside of that, I love the way how you put yourself together. I love that you're very ambitious. I like say you have a career and you're speaking about it. That is good. Love how you look well groomed. Your hair is put together. Your complexion nice. That's no problem with you. I don't know why me just focus on the shoes and the little foot.
But oh, you know, you not even know him size.
Me just not think the size up based on the foot.
Oh,
Could
that
be
yeah.
wrong. I
That
could be
Well,
wrong. I could be wrong.
well, really, that's because as a man, you have to create a sense of mystery. So even if she say my foot is small, I won't disclose anything more because I want you to get closer to see what you're really looking for.
But you're nice, though. Don't worry about me talking about your foot. You know,
No,
that's
that's
me up
fine.
in my head and under some straight vibes fever. But yeah,
That's fine.
otherwise, you look good.
What you rate him from 1 to 10?
I'd give him an 8 because you seem very intellectual, you seem very put together, and your mindset is right. So, yeah.
All right, I'll give you a 7, 7.5 actually.
Why you give her 7.5?
Well, there's always room for improvement, and she
I
knows to
agree.
articulate herself. I like that in a woman.
I agree.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
TK14 on TikTok. Why am I pop the balloon? Just not my type. Yeah, that's
Straight
it.
to the point. I like that.
Yeah.
What about him is not your type?
Just him overall. Man, I like him overall. Yeah, man, I like him.
Much you rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him an 8 still. Yeah, him just dressed nice.
All right. What do you think about her?
I'll give her a 7.
Why 7?
Well, it's just that I'm being honest. The 7 works for me. There's nothing much behind it. It just works for me.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
I heart now on all socials. So basically, Mama start with good things as well. Amor say, him put himself together. Him look like a nice youth. However, him look too feminine for me. Me have a look masculine something about me. So with personality, everything I go clash. But now I go can be myself. Me have to act for the own him if me and him in a relationship.
What feminine about him?
Him look soft, I like man around stay so look a bit. Him not for beat me, him not for shout. You know, just simple thing where a man do. See like how you look manly, like boss and
Why yeah? Oh me get what?
no, just saying.
All
Yeah,
right.
I like that look or something about a man.
Okay.
Manly.
How much you rate him from 1 to 10?
Would I give him a 10, him look nice and put himself together well, soft spoken and him know for deal with people and talk to people like me giving him fame my opinion now, him not behave no way like look how dark shit them with compassion last time. Him take the comment and everything easy so I give him a 10, not a 8 or 10.
Thank you. I would give you a 9, mostly because you're straightforward. And women that are straightforward, them know if express themselves. And it keeps down on the arguments, because when I get to the point, I won't have to do anything much.
That's good. I wish my man they agree.
Huh?
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm Pretty Exclusive _1 on Instagram, guys. Please check out Chophead. Life Changes produced by DJ Rumblood and Jaden Records. Just not my type.
Okay.
Based on his appearance, how much you rate him?
I would give him an 8.
All right, so but what if him approach your door differently from out here?
I wouldn't talk. I don't talk to strangers. I would just look.
Oh, you don't talk to stranger?
No, I would just look like I'm dumb.
I wouldn't say you're dumb. And what you're doing now is a bold move. You want to change that. I like that.
No, I'm just stepping out of my comfort zone a little
Yeah, you're
bit.
brave. I like that.
Okay,
And for that, I would give you a 9 too.
thank you.
What you like about her though?
Well, even though she has a bit of shyness, she's trying to talk. I can see that. I wanted to ask her to speak up a bit, but I know, well, it might make her uncomfortable, so I didn't say anything.
I appreciate it.
All right. All right.
Alright.
Come to this side, Minji. All right, so females without a balloon, walk with Grace Mona, please. All right, my G, come to this side. All right, so we have a female with a balloon. You're gonna have a chance for ask her a question. We're gonna see if there's a chemistry, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
All right. So my first question is, what's your take on communication?
I'm very big on communication.
Can you explain a bit?
If we're going to be in a relationship, the communication should be not one-sided, but two-sided. I want to be involved in everything.
Alright.
Everything, I mean everything.
All right, so one follow-up question to that.
Okay.
The next question is, what would you classify as maturity?
Not just physically, but mentally.
Okay.
That is one thing for me.
All right, that's fine.
All right. And when I say involving everything, like, can you give us an example?
Yeah, I want to be your best friend. I want to be someone that you can come to and speak about if you're having a bad day,
Alright.
what's wrong, you know? So that's the reason why I said everything.
I like that because for me, I'm mature, but I display my maturity when it's necessary. So you're gonna get a balance. You're gonna get a friend, a boyfriend, a best friend, and at the same time, you're gonna get somebody that's stern and corrects you at the right time.
Okay.
All right. All right. So you're gonna get a chance now to ask him a question.
You said that you're 31.
Yes.
Okay. So where do you see yourself like in the next, let me see, 2 years from now?
Oh, that's good. Striking more balance in my career. I want to get myself more. I wouldn't say that I'm not financially stable right now, but stability is not just to have money, but I want to create investments here and there so I can create generational wealth for my children when they come.
Any kids?
No, not right now, but I do want one or more.
How soon?
Well, that's one thing about me. I don't put a time on God's plan. But I know that my time span is sticking, but I work with what God says. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Any more question you want to ask her? Because we want to ask the big question.
One more.
All right.
All right. I can see that you're ambitious. So I'm going to give you a question based on what you had asked me.
Okay.
All right. I know you have a goal. So with that goal, how long do you think you will be able to achieve it?
Not entirely sure
Okay.
of how or when I will achieve it, but I want to do that within the next 2 years.
All right. I can help you with that if I get the chance to.
All right. Any more question for him?
Yes, I do. I'm thinking of one though.
All right. It's the final question before I ask my question.
Okay.
Do you have any more questions for me?
No.
Okay.
I don't have any more questions for you.
Hold on, I'm thinking about one.
All right. Make sure, like, because we want to make sure if there's a chemistry. All right. You are fun.
I just feel nervous.
All right, so we're home. The circle back. You're gonna go to somebody else and come back to you.
There's no one else.
Okay.
All right, there's no other question.
You sure? You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Well, no, like, I want to find out. Is it a match for you?
Yeah, it's a match for me.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match?
Yes.
So we have a match. All right. Is it a match for you?
I think I have to decline.
Meaning? Is it a match for you?
No.
So pop your balloon. All right. Before, why you kept your balloon all along?
Because he seemed like a very nice person. I love how he have a career for himself. He's well put together, beautiful eyes.
Thank you.
Built is really nice, but there's just something.
What?
What?
Based on your age,
Okay.
I think there is going to be a little clash there. Because I want certain things in life, and because you're older than me, I think that is going to be an issue.
Well, depends on the gap. The age gap.
There's a huge gap.
Well, how old are you? I should ask that.
25.
That's not much.
Yes, it is. He's 31. 6 years gap.
Oh, well.
Oh, big gap for you. And basically what you're saying, like, what are the things is going to be clashing?
He is in the era in which he wants to settle down, have a family, and stuff like that. For me, not saying that I don't want that, but it is more of a down in the future because I have things that I want to accomplish first. But I love how he articulates himself. He speaks very highly, career, everything, very family oriented, which is good. So I really love that. But that's the reason why I have to pop.
All right. All right. All right. And based on his appearance, how much would you rate him?
I'll give him a 9.5.
All right. What do you think about her based on her appearance?
I'll give you a 10 because you're worth the 10.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. Wasn't that much today? Just make it walk with grace. My G.
You say go, you know.
Chano. Almost. Pequito. All right, bless my G. Wasn't that much today? Walk with grace, man, please. Chano. Wait there. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Alright, once in a leave a like, thank you so much for always supporting. You see, I'm say Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth is next weekend. Instagram, roll it so easy. Main sponsor, ZNX, Park Plaza. You don't know the jewelry. Bust up. Bad money, who's in me? Oh, God. Yeah, you know that song there, you see me? Yo, females, can I get some energy, please? Okay, please. Can we wait until he's right here? Okay, please. Okay. Bring him in. Bring him to this side. Please, just wait. Please look forward. Please look forward. Look forward. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Lampshade Music, you know. Lampshade Mikirum, you know.
Oh, Lampshade.
Yeah.
Alright. What type of work you do? He not even say what kind of work him do. What type of work you do?
I'm an artist, producer. Yeah.
Oh, artist, producer.
Yeah.
Alright then, and what's one of like your hobby? What's a hobby for you?
No,
apart from
just music. So.
No, apart from music.
Drink rum.
What's a type though?
Yeah. Big back girl him. Like the big back girl him when I love food.
So you like a girl like big back?
Yeah, I like the big back girl. I'm like Rosalie when I love food.
She not love food?
Yeah.
So she have a big back but not love food?
Love food, yeah.
Okay. Alright. And where you bring a girl like that on a date? Where you bring her?
KFC, brother. Yeah, man.
KFC, like
yeah.
once. Okay. And how much food did I buy her?
Anything she want, man. If she want zinger or she want big box. Because she a big back, you know. So you have to give her a big box and everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Everything. Shout out to social?
Yeah, you know, it's a Lampshade Music everywhere.
Everywhere. Alright then. We're gonna start with we got some pops, so I start right here, so yeah?
Alright.
Yeah. Move on. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Alicia More Music on all platforms. Why am I pop my balloon? Where to start? Lampshade, I like your personality. I'm not gonna lie. I'm an artist, so I understand the artistry and the creativity, and I can't take a serious based on that right now.
Based on what?
Everything. You come out with your wrong buckle, your yin yang cup, your pink kerchief, your balloon shoes. And my back not big enough. Me not tell a lie.
That's true. Yeah, more do like it too.
Yeah.
Because right now, yeah, I cast like I see all three of me too. Because maybe not even see me good.
That's alright. Me not see a good for three, but me I see enough to know so you're not my type.
Yeah.
Right? Your shoes, your shorts. Me can't take it serious. I mean, I got this.
Me no need it. Me no need everything.
You need a Rosalie.
I already know my type, dog.
Me alright with that.
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep it pushing. Walk with grace.
Bag of vibes.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Me can't take him serious, really. Me can't even rate him. Me just rate him, but me can't rate him.
Your ratings don't mean nothing more.
That's alright, baby. Cool.
Thank you.
Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Zero me.
Negative 12.
12?
Yeah.
You should have go 100.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
TK million 14. It look like say rubbish truck in my work pan. I when come here so far. Go on home here. No more big back no there so. Go on home.
And that's why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, you know how am I go? You can't come and show look so look man. You must be mad.
You look like Candy, mama. You see me? Right, I
business
know
go where
you
want
look
to send- where you want to send, I go
transmissionist. You
to
look
that area, then I come to
transmissionist,
that
mama.
area.
You look
Me don't care
transmissionist
where you
like
want
on
to say.
4-speed transmission or something, mama. That now go on for you. I look on your other slippers, dog. That you gonna look for money. You know how much me shoes? You know how much me shoes?
I rubbish when I get that out of brother.
Look on your two of them.
You know look go.
Put them on.
I go suck them off.
Watch it.
You
Suck
go
off
suck them?
what? Them men
You go
deserve
suck
no
them
suck
off?
off. Watch it. One of them up on your left and one up on your right. Look on your blood clot here back them.
Go name them.
Watch it.
Come suck
I
ya.
tell you if I would come look right
Come
now,
suck it
Andrew
off.
only anytime Andrew only shot a tar, you can creep your heel back and get tar.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Move on. But good.
Your name and why you pop your balloon?
And Nora _babe_ on Instagram and on TikTok. It's Nora on YouTube.
Why you pop your balloon?
Speechless, but not in that kind of way. But I really don't want to say anything for him to be offended because he's a bit, you know. Yeah, but I'ma just leave it there though. No, I didn't say that. Yeah.
She government.
Bro, she never said that.
Can I take a fish me up and I say me a bait?
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
No comments.
What do you think about her? Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
She kind of have like a mermaid look, the man. She go up, man. She can go on. You know, she no big back, but.
Alright, move on. Good. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
I heart Naya on all socials. I pop him balloon because I like him shoes. Him shoes look like he working at them farm there, like in a farming field. I like it.
And you look like a prepare the dog. Them you look Chinese. You look Chinese.
Two are we a family.
No, more me not Chinese. Look for me good. Me not Chinese. You look Chinese. You look like a prepare dog. From me see you. Like you work at Sakura.
Well, yeah, well, me met the dog them, I produce them everything.
Oh, say
so
a bitch.
all the way I am now, and me produce all of the food them we are
Me
eat.
dey on hunger strike.
And me hire you for working, I'm a feel with them.
You can't buy this. Me can guarantee you. Say dog money no buy this.
And my father with their England.
Dog money.
Send down your water boat.
Dog money no buy this. Just and believe me.
I the court money by the water boat, me I tell you.
Court? No, mama.
Alright, so basically I say Imanaya.
Man, I'm a type. Him not look like a serious maddy. He might give me a Jaden vibe.
Who?
Look all fruity.
Jaden, mama. That's where you really go.
Him look fruity.
Like himself fruit?
No, like him touch.
Like him touch?
Yeah, rainbow.
Rainbow?
Yeah, rainbow. Skittles.
You would like
Close
rainbow
sister.
because you look like you take things in your wrong side. So you nobody come with no rainbow business because you look wrong side. You look wrong side. It like them turn you up and
so
hang you up like me shots and me I watch if you forward at the show. You look wrong sided. Watch all the foot them look manish. One of big old toe there. Watch it. How them there under this?
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
Right now, I'm so, but what him suck off my toe them
You want a big
cause
boat in your neck.
my big toe where my top about could have hold perfectly in her mouth.
Your toe them can't even hold in my shoes.
Like
Because
a
them big-
lollipop.
Your big toe them can't hold in not even shoes. Not even them shoes that
It can't hold in your mouth, though, or in your cup.
No, I want rum back with a hole in your face.
Alright, my G.
My matic could have in your face.
Call him.
None of the matic, none of the rum batic.
Get the matic.
No,
Get the matic.
no.
What you say?
Get the matic
No
pussy.
matic, no matic.
Pussy
Get the matic
No
pussy.
matic.
What you
No,
say?
yeah.
Bring the matic.
What you say, fruity boy?
Oh.
Hey, relax.
A matic.
Relax.
Hey, girl,
Calm down.
no, yeah, bum.
Your mother is a
No, yeah, do.
Security, fine.
Hombre, no, yeah, do. How we are tell about matic? How we are tell about matic? Big stinking mouth, girl.
Come now, madam. No, like.
Big stinking mouth, girl.
Alright. Come here, I want a hug. My vex, you know, see my feel that way. You just a move so quick. I saw that kind of quick. Oh, you know rate me, you know. You know rate me. Yo, I want to big up everybody who support and subscribe. You see it? At the end of the video, remember, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, next week. You see it? Please don't make me drive go Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. If you don't know, I'm not serious. You see it? Because of England, my thing there, you know. No joke, in Kingston. Hey, Kingston! Yo, Kingston. Don't scream. Don't scream. Kingston, man, not lie. Oh no. Yo, we start at Kingston. Yo, we forgot. Alright then. Alright, watch you now. Make sure you big up on yourself. This is at the end of the video. God and I like all the time. Big up on my team. We golden, yeah? Chips.
This banana chips for you, make your crunchy.
GCT forever and ever, we say goodbye.
Girl, them say my team and my boss. Girl, them say my team and my boss. Like, comment, subscribe.